Good morning, everyone. As you can see here, you will see the way my five mining is running faster, 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 and faster. If you people can see here, you will see that the chain is running very, 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 very faster. You can see that I have about 77 referral, while 75 is currently mining now. I have about 40% that I'm getting. So thank God, mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. I'm mining about 2.71 per hour, as they are saying here, as you can see. 2.1 per 2.71 per hour. That is what I'm mining, but I knew that it has passed that. It is better than that. They are just saying it. As everybody can see, this is my, as you can see, let me show you my team. You people can see my team members. This is my team members. As you can see, this is 77 people that are currently now mining. Anyone with the green sign, you people are seeing here, that means he is mining currently. They are all mine currently. This is the only one that is no mine. This one is inactive, and this one that invited me. So thank you. You can still go on with my referral address. Thank you.